Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're doing this eye look and showing you guys how to get a perfect cut crease. So first, we're going to start off with the ABH primer. You just want to blend that all out on your eyes. I like to bring it up underneath my brows, but you don't have to. And for today's look, we'll be using the Crayon Case matte book and at least one shade from the Norvina Volume 2. So this is the shade that I used from the Norvina Volume 2 palette. Just so you guys know, the matte book does have a dark red, but it just wasn't really swatching as dark as I wanted. And so when you're doing a cut crease, you do want it to be very, very dark. So first things first, you want to make sure you have a brush for your cut crease. This is the one that I use. This is by ABH number 18. And notice how it's very thin, very flat, and that's exactly what you want when doing a cut crease. Obviously, you can use any brush, but it should be similar to that type of shape. This is the one I used to use, and I just got it off Amazon. You can even get one at Michael's, honestly. And this one is a little thicker, so I don't use it anymore. But what I used to do was take Duo Glue and NYX glitter primer and just kind of mold it into a flatter brush. So yeah, as the products I'm showing you, and then I'm going to show you the motion that I used to do, which is just literally squeezing it together. Now I'm taking some Vaseline so that I can use that as a map or like guideline for my cut crease. And I learned this tip from Plouise, and literally guys, ever since I've been doing it, my whole cut crease game has elevated. And this is perfect for people with shaky hands. I'm taking a makeup wipe to just clean off my lid. You can also just use a makeup remover and Q-tip. And I'm about to do something that's gonna blow your minds. Okay, so maybe it didn't blow your mind, but I'm wrapping my makeup wipe around my tweezers because it's very pointy and very small, so it'll make sure that it cleans it perfectly. But when I think about it, I used to do this with my acrylic nails anyways, so wow, what a time to be alive, huh? Now that our base is completely clean, I'm going to start stamping the primer on. And literally this is the easiest way for me to cut my crease. I do swipe sometimes, but not when I'm first starting off because I'm way too shaky. And now I'm just setting all of that product with the white eyeshadow from the matte book. And you want to do this so that your product doesn't move around or smudge or whatever, or crease. Most importantly, not to crease, especially if you're hooded eye like me. And to be honest, I know you see it. That eye looks better than the other side. I don't know what it is. I think it's just because I'm right-handed, but yeah, we only care about the right side anyways. All I know is if you're not singing, dancing, or even eating a snack here and there, then like doing your makeup is boring. Anyways, now we're just cleaning up with some concealer. It's gonna look crazy, of course, until you blend it out. Yada yada yada. I'm gonna do the rest of my eyes, and then we're gonna come back looking like a badass queen. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was very helpful and informative. And if you learned something new, definitely let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.